चलो पहले कुछ खा लेते हैं। लेट्स ईट समथिंग फर्स्ट। लेट्स ईट समथिंग फर्स्ट। अभी कुछ कहना जल्दी होगा। इट्स टू सून टू से एनीथिंग। इट्स टू सून टू से एनीथिंग। आज मौसम बहुत अच्छा है ना? The weather is so nice today, isn't it? The weather is so nice today, isn't it? अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता, if I were in your place, if I were in your place, मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो माफ कर देता। If I were you, I would have forgiven. If I were you, I would have forgiven. ऐसी बात मत कहो। Don't say such a thing. Don't say such a thing. काम शुरू करने से पहले सोच लो। Think before you start the work. Think before you start the work. क्या तुमने मुझे बुलाया था? Did you call me? Did you call me? यदि वे मान जाते तो समस्या हल हो जाती। If they agreed, the problem would be solved. If they agreed, the problem would be solved. यह खेल जीतने लायक नहीं है। This game is not worth winning. This game is not worth winning. ध्यान से सुनो, यह जरूरी है। Listen carefully, this is important. Listen carefully, this is important. तुम जैसे लोग बहुत कम मिलते हैं। People like you are rare. People like you are rare. इतना गुस्सा क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you getting so angry? Why are you getting so angry? कितनी शानदार जगह है यह। What a wonderful place this is. What a wonderful place this is. तुम बहुत बदल गए हो। You have changed a lot. You have changed a lot. एक बात समझ लो, मेहनत का कोई विकल्प नहीं। Understand one thing. There is no substitute for hard work. Understand one thing. There is no substitute for hard work. बहुत देर हो चुकी है अब। It's already too late now. It's already too late now. उसे सबके सामने शर्मिंदा मत करो। Don't embarrass him in front of everyone. Don't embarrass him in front of everyone. यह सब उसके कहने पर हुआ। All this happened because of what he said. All this happened because of what he said. इस तरह बात मत करो। Don't talk like that. Don't talk like that. सोचो अगर सब कुछ आसान होता। Imagine if everything was easy. Imagine if everything were easy. कुछ भी कहने से पहले सोच लेना। Think before saying anything. Think before saying anything. क्या आपने कभी किसी की मदद की है बिना कारण? क्या आपने कभी किसी की मदद की है बिना कारण? Have you ever helped someone without a reason? Have you ever helped someone without a reason? वह मुझसे बात करने से बच रहा है। He is avoiding talking to me. He is avoiding talking to me. अगर तुम मुझे पहले बताते तो मैं मदद करता। If you had told me earlier, I would have helped. If you had told me earlier, I would have helped. मैं सोच भी नहीं सकता था कि ऐसा होगा। I couldn't have imagined this. I couldn't have imagined this. जो हुआ अच्छा ही हुआ। Whatever happened, happened for good. Whatever happened, happened for good. सब कुछ वैसा नहीं होता जैसा दिखता है। Not everything is as it seems. Not everything is as it seems. वाह, तुमने कमाल कर दिया। Wow, you did an amazing job. Wow, you did an amazing job. दरवाजा बंद कर दो। Close the door. Close the door. थोड़ा रुक जाओ, मैं अभी आता हूं। Wait a bit, I'll be right back. Wait a bit, I'll be right back. जब सब सो रहे थे वह पढ़ रहा था। He was studying when everyone was asleep. He was studying when everyone was asleep. सबको बुला लिया गया है। Everyone has been called. Everyone has been called. कोई बात नहीं, अगली बार सही। No worries, maybe next time. No worries, maybe next time. अगर वह आता तो मैं रुक जाता। If he came, I would have stayed. If he came, I would have stayed. यह गलती मेरी नहीं है। This isn't my mistake. This isn't my mistake. यह काम कल तक खत्म किया जाना चाहिए। This work should be finished by tomorrow. This work should be finished by tomorrow. वो तुमसे कुछ कहना चाहता है। He wants to say something to you. He wants to say something to you. क्या यह तुम्हारी आखिरी बात है? Is this your final word? Is this your final word? वह बहुत तेज सीखता है। He learns very quickly. He learns very quickly. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो। Leave me alone. Leave me alone. तुमने जो किया वो सराहनीय है। What you did is commendable. What you did is commendable. मुझे बताया गया था कि तुम यहाँ हो। I was told that you were here. I was told that you were here. कोशिश करते रहो, हार मत मानो। Keep trying, don't give up. Keep trying, don't give up. क्या आप मेरी एक मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you do me a favor? Can you do me a favor? बहुत समय हो गया तुमसे बात किए। It's been a long time since we talked. It's been a long time since we talked. सावधानी से गाड़ी चलाओ। ड्राइव केयरफुली, ड्राइव केयरफुली। वह मुझसे कुछ छुपा रहा है, वह मुझसे कुछ छिपा रहा है। He is hiding something from me. He is hiding something from me. क्या तुम्हें मुझ पर भरोसा है? Do you trust me? Do you trust me? यह काम आपके द्वारा किया गया था। This work was done by you. This work was done by you. मुझे शक हो रहा है कि कुछ गलत है। मुझे शक हो रहा है कि कुछ गलत है। I am suspecting that something is wrong. I am suspecting that something is wrong.